Welcome back to our chapter-by-chapter summary of the power of your subconscious mind. Today we're diving into Chapter 30, How to Create Lasting Positive Change. In this chapter, Dr. Murphy focuses on the methods to create lasting positive transformation in your life by using the power of your subconscious mind. Dr. Murphy explains that lasting change begins with changing your internal thoughts and beliefs. Your subconscious mind is like fertile soil. It will grow whatever you plant. So, if you want to change your life, you need to plant new, positive thoughts that align with the changes you wish to see. He stresses the importance of affirmations and visualization. Affirmations are positive statements that reprogram your subconscious. By repeating affirmations regularly and combining them with clear, vivid images of the desired outcome, you can program your mind to manifest the changes you want in your life. Dr. Murphy also recommends mental rehearsal. Before taking action, rehearse mentally what you want to achieve. Visualize yourself succeeding and feel the emotions associated with that success. This creates a powerful mental imprint that your subconscious mind will work toward. Another key point is persisting through challenges. When you face obstacles, remember that your subconscious mind is always working for you. Keep feeding it with positive thoughts and trust that it will find a way to create the results you desire. The key takeaway: to create lasting positive change, you must consistently program your subconscious mind with positive thoughts, beliefs, and images of your desired future. With persistence, patience, and faith in the process, your subconscious will bring about the transformation you seek. That wraps up Chapter 30. In the next chapter, we'll explore how to unlock the full potential of your subconscious mind for achieving your greatest desires. Like, comment, and subscribe. And don't miss the next chapter of this life-changing series.